I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power is off and cables are free. First, locate the sleeve seam or the end of the braid. This tells you where to cut without fraying. Use tape to bind the adjacent cable bundle so wires don't shift. It stabilizes the work. With a razor held shallow, score the sleeve along the seam, cut lightly, then repeat. You do this to control the blade and prevent nicking insulation. Once you've cut a short section, stop and check the cables beneath. Once done with the initial cut, gently peel the braid aside to reveal the inner wires. You want visibility and room to work. If the sleeve is woven, unweave a few strands rather than ripping. This preserves length and prevents tangling. Grip the braid with pliers and pull it back along the cable bundle. Go slowly so the braid doesn't snag connectors. If threads fray, apply a brief heat source to melt and tidy ends. Make sure connectors sit clean. You finish by sliding the sleeve fully off the bundle, keeping tension on the braid so it doesn't bunch up. Inspect every conductor for nicks. If you find any, replace or repair the cable before reusing. Trim stray fibers and tidy ends with a soldering iron tip or lighter. Brief heat seals synthetic sleeving, then wrap with tape if required. If the sleeve won't pass connectors, cut the seam further back. Make sure not to cut into insulation, and double-check function before powering up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.